Welcome back to BuiltFixed. On this episode, I will test my cross-cut fence accuracy. I will use the method known as the four-cut method. Stay tuned. It's great to have you back. After making your fourth cut, save that cutoff strip. Also, keep track of the front and rear of the cut, A and B. On my cutoff, A was 25.18 and B was 25.24. Now, it's not terribly important, the order A and B for subtraction, but later on it would be important if you need to make an adjustment to know which way to adjust the cross-cut fence. So in that situation, negative and positive numbers make a difference. In my example, I got 0.06 divided by 4 equals 0.015. Now I'm measuring the length of the cutoff piece, which was 328. I will divide 0.015 by 328 to get 0.0000457. Now for fun, let's find the error over 2 meters. Take 0.0000457 and multiply it by 2,000 millimeters. The answer is 0.091. That's my error. An inch, the error is about 3.5 thousandths of an inch when cutting over 6.5 feet. These two feeler gauges are 3 thousandths and 4 thousandths. So the error is about the thickness of a sheet of copy paper. I must say I'm quite pleased with the results of this test. I think I'll leave the settings as they were set from the factory. But this piece was quite small, so maybe I should try cutting a larger piece of MDF one more time. How accurate is your crosscut fence? I'd love to hear your comments and questions below. See you on the next one.